it's me again. The video I'm going to be showing you today is going to delight the taste buds of your children. This is particularly for parents whose children have been requesting ice cream but who have not been able to grant their request due to the current lockdown situation. This homemade ice cream recipe is going to save the day. But before I show you how I made this, I would like you to subscribe to this channel. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button now, or make sure you hit the subscribe button before you sign out of this channel. For this recipe, you do not need too many ingredients. All you need is milk, eggs, and a little sugar. So if you have milk, eggs, and sugar at home, then we are good to go. So let me show you how I made this recipe for your children. For this recipe, I'll be needing 4 eggs, sugar, half cup of sugar, 300 ml of water, plus 2 tins of evaporated milk. You may use any brand of your choice, and some artificial flavor, vanilla, banana, pineapple, depending on your choice. If you do not have flavor, the ice cream will still come out very nice. For the tins of evaporated milk, this is what to do. We are going to steam 1 can in water and keep the other one for direct heating. So let's steam this one. We will be steaming for at least 15 minutes, after which I'll be chilling it in my refrigerator until I am ready to use it at the final stage. The second can of milk will be heated in water directly. It's 15 minutes already, and this is perfect. If you notice, the top of the can looks swollen. That's to tell you it's steamed enough. So I'll chill this in the refrigerator now. The next thing to do is to whisk your eggs and sugar together. Make sure to do this before the next step. Break your eggs and whisk it with your sugar. After whisking the egg and sugar together, the next step is to pour your water into a clean pot. For the 300 ml of water, you may use an empty can of peak milk or milk to measure 1.5 cups. Pour your water into a clean pot and pour in the second can of milk. Now we will stir this on the fire till it is very hot. It must not come to a boil. It must not come to a boil. If it comes to a boil, it's going to curdle. So the idea is to stir it till it is very hot but not boiled. So it is advisable to do this on a medium or low heat to prevent it from boiling. Kind reminder, please subscribe to this channel and share this video. Do not forget to subscribe so you can get more insightful step-by-step videos. Okay, so this is becoming very hot. If not that I'm stirring it, it would have come to a boil, but stirring it just distracts the fire, and so it doesn't come to a boil, so the milk doesn't curdle. Okay, I think this is perfectly hot. This is hot enough now. The next thing to do now is to add our egg and sugar mixture. As you add, make sure to stir. The stirring continues at this stage because this must not come to a boil. This is why you should whisk your sugar and egg together before this stage. Now, I want you to observe the consistency of this mixture. If you notice, it is light. It's not sticky to the wooden spoon. So we'll keep stirring until it becomes thicker. You know it is thicker when it begins to stick to the body of our wooden spoon. As you can see here, it's beginning to stick, but it's not thick enough. So keep stirring, do not allow it to come to a boil. It's getting sticky and sticky. Okay, as you can see, it's thicker and stickier than the initial stage. I'll stir some more. Okay, now it's time to sieve. I'll be sieving this mixture to separate the curd from the actual thing. Have you seen our special Zobo recipe video? You should check it out. In that video, I showed you how to make your Zobo taste very nice and how to retain the freshness of your pineapple flavor and ginger in your Zobo. Please check it out on this channel. While you sieve, make sure to use your wooden spoon to stir so that you can the pieces of or the little tiny cords that may have blocked the eyes of the sieve can come off. I'm almost done sieving, and like I said, the idea here is to separate the cords from the actual thing. I'm almost done. Okay, now I am done. I'm done sieving, and here is what the curd looks like. Here's what the curd looks like. Okay, so now the next step is to put this in my refrigerator and allow it to chill before I proceed with the last stage. You can see it is thick. This looks creamy already. Now it is very chilled, and this is the last stage. As you can see, it looks thicker now that it is chilled compared to when I put it in the fridge. So this is the point where you add your flavor or any flavor you wish to add, and this is also the point where you add the steamed milk. The milk we steamed at the beginning. This is where you add it. I won't be adding any flavor because I just realized I've run out of flavor, but this will still taste very creamy and nice. So I'll just stir together, then I'll keep in my freezer to freeze. Yes, okay, so this is what our ice cream looks like. Here we are. Ice cream is ready to be served and munched. So you may decide to add some pieces of biscuits and let your children enjoy this very delightful ice cream. Look what we have.